Welcome to Island Trash, the ultimate solution for pristine waste management in the beautiful coastal town of Emerald Isle, North Carolina. Our mission is underpinned by a steadfast commitment to both excellence and environmental sustainability. At Island Trash, we offer a seamlessly efficient and environmentally conscious approach to waste management, ensuring that your disposal needs are not only met but exceeded. Whether you're a homeowner in search of a temporary dumpster or a business in need of a steadfast waste management partner, we've got your waste requirements expertly covered. When you choose Island Trash, you're selecting a pinnacle in waste disposal services, making us the foremost destination for premium dumpster rentals in Emerald Isle, North Carolina. We aim to elevate waste management from the ordinary to the extraordinary, and with Island Trash, your journey through dumpster rentals will be nothing short of remarkable. So, why settle for mediocrity when you can embrace excellence? Reach out to us today at 252-241-0879 or explore our user-friendly website at www.islandtrashcontainers.com to commence your voyage into the realm of waste management excellence. It's high time you experienced the Island Trash difference and took your waste disposal game to new heights.